Okay, I'll draw a birdie. That might be a bit more complex. So I'm just gonna click. What color should the birdie be? How about yellow? I haven't used yellow yet. Yeah. So, okay. For the birdie, I'm just gonna draw something really simple. And just draw the outline of the birdie. I'm just going to draw the outline of a bird with the head and the wings. Little belly maybe. And like that. It doesn't look that good right now, but hang in there, guys. Okay, I'm gonna use the paint bucket tool to just go in here and just paint in some of that so it saves me time from coloring everything just with a brush. But I can go back in here, fill in those sections that I missed. And the paint bucket tool leaves lines like this when you're using the pixel brush, but that's okay. I do like going in and just going over everything anyway. So just go around, and when you go around you'll see like some of the lines aren't very smooth. So you can fix that. And I think I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe just go in a bit more. I feel like this part, it could indent more, so I'm gonna click on this circle here to erase with this brush. Notice that it kind of leaves a mark, so you really have to erase it well, and then go back in here by clicking it again, making it white, and just like going over that, smoothing it out a bit. It does look a couple shades lighter, so I just want to make sure I fix that. You know what? I think I liked it before. I can just go back like that before I erased it. I think that's good. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in here with another layer, and I'm gonna draw the beak, maybe? Yeah. I'll draw the beak with, how about this color? And I just, oh, that's really big. And actually, I think I always gravitate towards something a bit sharper when I do something like this. Okay, here's the beak. You can move that around later after drawing the face. Yeah, and create a new layer to draw the face. Just gonna make it black. Maybe should just have a little dot. Yeah. Another layer for the mouth. That's cute. I feel like I might change that color. Yeah, maybe. I might change that later. But let me just change the placement of this beak. Okay. I think that's pretty cute. And then I want to add some details, like maybe for the belly. So I'm just gonna go in here and mask layer contents again, swipe again, and let's just see. I'll just choose that color and just a couple shades lighter again. And I'm gonna find a brush that like gives me a bit of patterns here like that. I think I want it to be a little bit lighter. Maybe dusty? Oh, that's cute. Hmm. How about... Oh, can't barely see that. Halftone? Oh, that's kind of neat. I think I'm gonna go with that. But maybe a different color? What do you guys think? What colors was? Maybe a blue even? A blue belly? That looks like a golf ball. Maybe something else. That's not bad, but then the color is just not working for me. Oh, maybe something subtle. An orange belly. Pink belly. It kind of turns a different color. I think I want it to be a little bit more subtle though. Maybe like that. Yeah. As you can see, guys, it's a lot of like playing around. There are no right answers. I think I do like that, but I don't like how it's spreading. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this tool and just... That's too circular. I'm going to click on this one and just like go in here and then try to do this. I think that's better. What do you think? Now the edge here is a bit too straight. So let's try that again. Maybe like that. Close it. And I'm able to do this just inside here, and it's not bleeding out because I have the mask contents layer. That's okay. I think I'm gonna try that again though. Deselect, undo. I just want to move the... Oh no, I cut the... Be careful. Okay, let me try again. Close the lasso. Deselect. Okay, I think I'm gonna live with that, guys. Okay, and maybe I'll just add some detail with like natural feel and just make the brush a little bit smaller. Should I change the color? Nah, I just want to make it natural. So maybe just like add a line here so it looks like there's like kind of like a sectioning off from the face to the body. Not feeling the pink there. You just have to keep trying different colors to see what you like. Actually, that blue isn't bad because the birdie's beak is that color, but it does feel a bit dark. How about this blue? Maybe we'll go with a blue. Just give it some lines here. Maybe give it some lines here. There we go. Um, Now that I have everything in this color, I kind of want to change this beak color, so I go back in maybe with a mask layer content and then try to just change it to this blue now. I think that's much better. And the beak, it looks kind of wobbly, so I'm just gonna unlink the mask and then just draw on top of it. Sorry, flatten the mask. The the beak looks kind of wobbly, so I'm gonna draw more on top of it. So I'm just going to flatten the mask, and that way I can draw on top of it. Maybe that's too big. I'm just gonna change the brush size a bit. Just little detail. Fill in some gaps in this part. Oh, that's too much there. There we go. That's a cute little birdie. Okay. So I'm pretty happy with that. And so I'm just gonna group everyone into the same group here. And that way, as I said, you can move everyone around. And that's basically how I'll continue, guys. And so I'm just gonna take some time to draw some other things, but I'm really excited to see what you guys will create.